Hi everyone, welcome to our Maths Nagaraj Sir channel. In this video, Inter first year deleted syllabus of Maths 1A. So in first year, Mathematics 1A, few chapters are deleted. What are those few chapters? Because of if you know that, we can leave to study or learn for the exam, then we can get a good score by studying which chapters are in the exam names. So in this year 2020 to 21, unfortunately 2-3 months are over. For the remaining period, we can't complete all the topics. That's why in the view of our students, the government has reduced the syllabus, means 30% syllabus deleted from the chapters. Actually, in this Maths 1A, we have 10 chapters. So, from 10 chapters, few chapters completely removed. So, what are 10 chapters in Maths A? Maths 1A. First one is functions. Second one is, already I think you know, mathematical induction. This mathematical induction completely deleted from the syllabus. So no need to practice this chapter. Next to third chapter, matrices. And what is fourth chapter? Addition of vector. Addition of vectors. And fifth chapter, product of vectors. And sixth one, trigonometric ratios and their identities up to transformation. And seventh one, trigonometric equations. This also completely removed from the syllabus for in this 2020 to 21. And eighth also, inverse trigonometric functions also completely removed. The ninth one is hyperbolic functions. Hyperbolic trigonometric functions. And 10th one is properties of triangles. So, as I told you already, the second chapter and the 7th chapter and 8th chapter completely removed. And in the first chapter functions, theorems were removed. Means in this, if you open the textbook, you will have 1.1 concept and then after a few problems. Next, the concept 1.2. Then after some problems depend on 1.2 and next 1.3, 1.4 you can observe. In that, the 1.2, that is theorems and inverse functions are deleted. So, no need to learn the theorems. In the matrices, I will tell you in the textbook. So, if you observe in the textbook, in first chapter 1.2 is there, inverse functions and theorems. If you open the textbook, inverse functions and theorems. So this is removed for the academic year 2020-21. Next, second chapter completely removed. And the third chapter, okay, 3.4.8, that is properties of determinants and the problems which contains depend on properties of determinants and also examples. So in the matrices, from beginning to determinants, up to determinants is there, and the properties of determinants is not there in the syllabus. Okay, and I will tell you in my classes also which are not in the syllabus, which we should practice and which we should learn. Next, consistent and inconsistent also removed. Okay, that is 3.6, and in this 3.7 also few methods are removed. So in this 3.6, consistency, inconsistency of simultaneous linear equations is removed. Okay, and 3.7, we have three methods to solve simultaneous linear equations. One is Cramer's rule, second is matrix inverse method, third one is Gauss-Jordan method. So among these three methods, Gauss-Jordan method is removed. So this is removed in the chapter matrices. So we can, to get good score, we can practice Cramer's rule, inverse method, very most important. So these are removed. Addition of vectors completely is there, and in this product of vectors 5.11 onwards is removed. Correct? I am just saying which chapters are deleted. Trigonometry rest completes there. Okay. Next, hyperbolic functions. Actually, this is a small chapter. Even though in this small chapter, one small subtopic is removed, I think don't bother about that. Better to practice total complete chapter. Just it consists of 7 examples, 8 exercise sums. 15 sums are there. In this 15 sums, 1 2 marks question is for our question paper. That is actually removed. One is inverse hyperbolic function. The sums are, so very few are there, 1 or 2 are there, that's all, that is removed. And the properties of triangle, complete syllabus is there. So these are the deleted syllabus. So overall 30% syllabus is deleted. So in this year, even we have very less time, we have a easy concepts to practice the Maths 1A for this academic year. So please friends, if you like my video, please subscribe and share, and also you can watch my all classes in my YouTube channel. Already functions, maths, addition of vectors, everything I am teaching. Please subscribe and share, and also if possible make your notes. Thank you.